This is 6.2, solving equations using addition or subtraction. A solution is a value that makes an equation true. So in x plus 3 equals 10, the only number that would make this true would be 7. So I'd have 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 equals 10, that is true. So we're going to determine whether the given values make the equation true. If I have x plus 28 equals 50, and x is 24, I'm going to take 24 and plug it in for x. So that's 24 plus 28 is 50. And then I get 52 equals 50. That's not true, and so this is not a solution. Here we have 4y equals 52, where y is 13. Remember, when we have 4 and y next to each other, that means we're going to multiply. So this is 4 times 13 equals 52. And 52 does equal 52, so this is a solution. Inverse operations are operations that undo each other. We use them to solve equations. Addition and subtraction are inverses. Multiplication and division are inverses. So I'm going to add or subtract to undo the other one, and then I will multiply or divide to undo these ones. The addition property of equality says that when you add the same number to each side of an equation, the two sides stay equal. So I know that 4 times 4 equals 4. If I add the same number to each side, I will get 7 equals 7. That is true. If I have here x minus 4 equals 9, if I add 4 to each side, that's going from negative 4 up 4 spots, I end at 0. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0, so x plus 0 is x. So x is 13. I can take this 13 and plug it back in for x. 13 minus 4 is 9. That's true, it equals 9. So because of the addition property of equality, I know that doing this will make an equation true. I'm not changing anything, I'm just moving terms around. We also have the subtraction property of equality, and that says that if you subtract the same number from each side of the equation, the two sides remain equal. So going back to 4 equals 4, if I subtract 3 on each side, I get 1 equals 1, and that is true. If I have x plus 4 equals 15, and I subtract 4 on each side, I'll get x equals 11, and 11 plus 4 is 15. So if you add or subtract something on each side, you're still going to have an equal, valid equation. So let's do a few examples. We are going to solve, which means you get a number answer, x equals a number, for x minus 3 equals 15. I want x to be by itself, so I need to undo this subtracting 3. So I need to do the opposite of subtracting, which is adding. Subtraction and addition are inverse operations. So add 3 to each side. This is negative 3 plus 3, which is 0, and 15 plus 3 is 18. So x equals 18. And 22 equals x plus 6. I need to undo this adding 6 because I want x to be by itself. So we subtract 6 on each side. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And 16 equals x. And you can check all of these by taking your number and plugging it in for x and seeing, is this true? X plus 12 equals 20. Subtract 12 on each side to get x equals 8. Here we have x plus 34 is 100. Subtract 34 on each side to get x equals 66. And here x minus 25 is 70. Add 25 on each side to get x is 95.